If you're looking to buy something for volleyball, I'm gonna tell you what you should skip buying today because I've tried a lot of different volleyball equipment. Let's get right into it. So my name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today I'm gonna talk to you about some volleyball equipment that you should absolutely skip. Do not spend your money, don't invest, it didn't work. I tried it on my players, I've tried it on me, I've tried it multiple times. Yeah, try, don't, no. So there are 3 pieces of equipment that really come to my mind when I think about volleyball equipment that I don't think is very practical and doesn't work very well. So I'm gonna share those with you today, but before you do that, make sure you leave a like so that way we can keep getting videos like this. So the first thing that I absolutely don't understand and don't like is this spike glove. So when you look at it, like functionally, like I can understand the concept. It's getting the hand to like form back a little bit and keeping it so when your hand is like in a position, so when you're hitting, it's I'm trying to help it. It's hitting, it's trying to like with the wrist, okay? But when you think about it, when you are spiking or hitting, you actually have to snap your wrist. And you actually have to, yes, you do have to keep a strong hand. Yes, we understand that. But this particular product, it doesn't really help you get the form that you actually need because it actually might like make a placebo effect where when you're wearing it, you may feel like you're able to serve over the net or you're able to hit the ball effectively. But then when you're not wearing it, you might have limp noodle or it might be able to make you feel more secure here. So when you take it away, you feel more insecure. The one thing that I don't like about some equipment is when it gives you a placebo effect in the way that it's giving you a thought that you are doing better with it than without it, when it is really you. I feel like volleyball equipment should aid you in your journey to learn, but not hinder you. And I feel like this is one of those pieces of equipment that could hinder you because it could mess up your form and it might be create some habits that you're later going to have to break. So I would not invest in a spike glove. The concept and thought was there. However, the delivery is not. Number 2, you may have seen me look at these before, and these are something that I've seen that are very popular for people who are setters. They have this setting kind of thing where there's a strap and then there's the ball right in the middle where it can help you hold the kind of mirror where this ball is here so the ball won't touch there, because when you're setting, you actually only want your fingertips and you want it to come from the eyebrow and you want to shoot out, right? So this particular product has that ball there so that way when the ball lands, it doesn't land in your palm. The thought process is there. However, what if it also creates that placebo effect? We don't want to create something where you have it on and you feel confident and you're like, I'm about to get this set, I got it. And you're and you're shooting things out and then you take it off and you can't do it anymore. So that's the one thing we don't want to happen. So with that, whenever I'm teaching new players how to set, it is actually really helpful to teach them how to set from the bare beginning, struggle in all, then use a tool that may create a higher standard of set where I might have to fix it later. We don't want to create anything I'm going to have to fix later. So this is something that I wouldn't invest in because it may, unless you're working with a very standardized coach and they're using this tool, these are all just recommendations based on what I've used and what I've coached, but I wouldn't invest and recommend this tool here either. Number 3, don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me. This is just my personal opinion. When I have players who playing in the beginning, elementary school, early middle school, Passing sleeves may be effective because it lets them visualize where the platform is and it lets them see and understand and pick up where it is. If you are a player who has been playing for a while and you then want to invest in passing sleeves, I highly suggest you don't do that, because part of the process of playing volleyball is understanding that depth perception and getting that geolocation in your mind. Because what the passing sleeves are trying to do is they're trying to simulate where the platform is. So in your mind, you'll be able to recognize where it is. But honestly, a lot of passing comes from trial and error. That means you're going to have to not be good at it before you are good at it. So if you are an elementary school player, or you have a young child or a little sister, a little brother, and they are young and they want to play volleyball, passing sleeves are great because they don't have that geolocation and depth perception and proprioception to be able to see where a ball is coming to them. That is what it's used for. But for players who've been playing for a while, no, they're not going to help you at all, because you can already determine in your mind, and your brain and your eyes can pick up speed and stuff like that already. So the passing sleeve isn't going to really help you very much. So I know that some of these products in this video you might like and they might be your favorite. I'm so sorry. This is just my opinion. But if you have any other products that you've tried volleyball equipment wise that you would not suggest that we purchase, put it in the comment and help somebody else below. I really hoped that this video was something that you were looking for and it helped you making your buying decisions much easier. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
While I'm thinking about my pops, how he died at 13, while I'm humming how I watched the clock on the wall, sister noted that the time was 9:21, knowing no love was crying, gave it time, went to school, told my homies I was fine, but my insides burned, no one noticed I was dying. And so my peeps went dumb, with a perk, with an X, with an insecure girl we can hurt. It's with a weed, with a rush, and a escape from the numb that we all keep feeling when the day's all done, when the rays of the sun don't shine on our skins.